Questions about Legionnaires' disease. What causes Legionnaires' disease? Legionnaires' disease is a type of pneumonia caused by Legionella bacteria that grow in warm water. Common sources of exposure are cooling towers, hot tubs, and spray fountains. Is it contagious? No, you cannot get Legionnaires' disease from another person. You can only get sick by inhaling mist that contains Legionella bacteria. Can you get it from taking a hot shower? If the source of exposure is related to a building's hot water system, residents can be exposed through water mist when they shower. Who is most vulnerable? You're at increased risk of Legionnaires' disease if you're aged 50 or older, smoke, have a chronic lung disease, or have a weakened immune system. What are the symptoms? Symptoms include fever, chills, muscle aches, and cough. If you have these symptoms, seek medical attention right away. Legionnaires' disease is easily treated with antibiotics if detected early. How do I know if my area is at risk? Check the NYC Health Legionnaires' Disease webpage for active outbreak announcements and updates, nyc.gov/legionnaires, or scan the code below. Scan the code or go to the link provided on this slide or in the description box below.